Now we'll see an interesting thing, like being a system admin, you need to protect your system and you need to protect all the systems in the network to see unauthorized shares. Like you don't want any system to see the shares, guys, for the to share the files without like open shares, like without credentials. So let's say now if you want to see the first, before that we need to see how to share a particular folder on your machine. Let me go to like, what happened, this is not showing up. I'm used to always, yes, sharing. Let me share this particular with everyone. So this is something like insecure option. I have put this for sharing. So now let me see what all the files are being shared on my machine. First need to check whether correct. Yes, netspace view is the correct command. It is asking for computer name, so I'll enter 127.0.0.1, guys, which is nothing but our computer only. Oh yes, it should be backslash. Yes, it's working fine. Now as we can see here, the share folder name, there is a new folder and users folder is for put for the sharing, but I just put this one too for sharing if I am not remember. Network path, share. Okay, your folder has been shared. Share this folder. Hello. Okay, permissions. Now hello folder is shared, guys. I always use the DOS commands itself to share, like netspace share space, that I'll also show you. But first of all, to identify the shares on your machine, you need to enter this particular command. If you want to enter other system like in a LAN, you need to enter that system IP address. Being a system admin, I'll also tell you how to identify the addresses later, guys. IP addresses, first you try to know about your system. So first go to your computer and try to see anything is shared on your system or not. Here now I'm gonna unshare which I have shared, so that I want protect my system. This how I can do. First I'm showing you like how this can be. Show me all the network shares on this computer. This can be done from this approach too in a GUI, and also you can see it from the command line netspace. If I want to delete, right click, properties, there is sharing, advanced sharing option, uncheck this. There are users connected to this. If you stop sharing, hello will be disconnected. Yes, I want them to be disconnected. Yes, it's gone now. So now we understood how to create a share and close it from the like on the front end and check the shares using command line, guys. Remember this command, guys. Later we will try to develop an automation script to, like, being a system admin, you're gonna do a forensics on a particular machine to see, like, using 10 commands to identify like security misconfigurations or else any unauthorized connections on that machine. I'll be showing you that those will be interesting commands. So this is one of the best command to know the shares, guys, as a part of security consultant too.